What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to do something that you can easily do with the kids, with the family at home, with friends. We're going to be doing a Ziploc pour. Now, I think I've done this a couple times, but it's been a very long time. These are like some of the simplest pours that I've ever done. So the colors we're using are titanium white, cerulean blue, I have a violet here, and then some silver just to give it a little bit of a metallic sheen throughout. All these were mixed 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. The pouring medium I used is Artist Loft pouring medium. Now, depending on where you live, you may need to add like 3 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint, or 4 parts sometimes, depending on the temperature, the humidity, and all that. But with that, we're just gonna get right into it. I did add 1 drop of coconut milk hair serum to each color. With that, we're just gonna do it. So really, it's all about just having fun. I'm just gonna layer these in the Ziploc bag. Now, none of these colors should have any bad interactions because there's going to be a lot of mixing. You can't really stop it. I'll put the silver right there in the bottom, so I do want it to flow throughout. And then we're just going to allow these. We're just playing. We're just having fun with it. This should be a fun, stress-free environment. If you're stressing yourself out painting, take a break for a little while, y'all. This should be your zen place where you go to unwind, relax. Let me see if we can get any more of that silver in there. There's a little bit left in the cup. I would scrape it, but then I have to let go of the bag, and I don't want to overmix the colors too much. I do want some contrast. But you don't really have to worry too much about it, because, I mean, I'm fairly certain all these colors are going to play well together. And then this is what we got. You can almost see the cells forming inside of it already. So I'm just going to pull 1 corner down. I don't need to seal the bag, but I do need to cut just 1 corner. And then I just have my little scissors here, and we're just gonna cut it and let it drain. And I'm gonna say that the colors that are coming out of this are fantastic. And it's coming out of 2 spots, which is not expected. Let me see if I could just stop it right there. So this is a good project to do with just family and friends. It's really quick, really simple, super easy, and you really don't have to worry too much. I don't want to use the torch because there is silicone in this. So to pop these bubbles, I think I'm just going to use my heat gun. That's just one downside of it, is you're going to have some bubbles. Just because the paint's churning so much and moving and shifting around inside the bag. This actually looks really pretty. Super pretty. All right. So let me see where the weight of the paint is. Should all be in the center, and it is. That was really cool in the last video, using tape as kind of a corner keeper, and it worked like a dream. It was perfect. All right. Well, let's spin this thing out, see what we got. You don't need to do anything crazy hard yet. There's plenty of paint on this surface to get coverage. Wow. Those colors are really pretty. Gosh, that is gorgeous. I almost wish there was no oil in this, because I know cells are going to pop up. There's nothing I can do about that. All right, so I am going to spin it again just to get these corners, but before I do that, let me touch them. See, if you touch paint to them, it makes it so much easier. So, there we go. Let's see now. Oh, Got a little bit on this side too. So I'm gonna take a little extra and just touch it. There we go. All right, and another light spin. Nothing hard. And we have that one cell that's just popping up in the middle. Gosh, I love these lines. They're so pretty. All right, let's take the heat gun to it, because we are gonna get some cells, for sure. We've already got some, but we're gonna get a considerable amount more. And a lot of the cells might not come out until during the drying process, which is why I'm gonna show it to you guys wet and then dry. And I think I'm gonna do another one of these without oil because wow. Wow. So pretty. I mean, and this is essentially it, you guys. We have poured. So that's why I'm thinking it's a really good activity, for families or a little get together. Something quick, something easy, and you have a memory forever. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this again with no oil because my goodness, those lines. But I'm gonna stop jaw jacking and I'm gonna bring you guys down so you guys can see what I'm seeing, because whew. So these are the lines that I'm talking about. Like, that's some really beautiful stuff going throughout. I am going to do another one of these that doesn't have oil because jeez, those lines. Well, we'll see it dry here in a second. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.